Hi, Ian Matthews here again with another Tango taster. Today we're going to be looking at how you can use Tango Teach with a mouse and keyboard setup. Now that may seem a little strange given that Tango Teach is designed to be multi-touch software that works on a screen like this. However, let's say you're a teacher at home wanting to try and make some stuff in advance of a session and you've only got access to a mouse and keyboard. Well, the way to do that is, on a keyboard such as this, any keyboard, any mouse, pressing and holding function and then F11 will bring in a mouse control as well as what you can access on the screen. So at this point I now have one point touch control of the screen. So you can see there, this little finger that's moving across whilst I'm doing that there. To turn that off again, pressing and holding function F11 again will get rid of that, so you can just use the screen. But let's say you want to use both at the same time. It's not very often you might want to do that, but in one case I have a lesson here, for example, with the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory stuff that I've put together, that actually uses not just the kids at the screen moving stuff around, but also potentially you might want the teacher standing at the side and controlling other elements of the screen as well. So once it's loaded up, I'm going to show you a specific page that might do that. It's on page 5 in this case. So on page 5, I've got a load of Oompa-Loompas across the screen. Now, they may want to be moved across this bridge like the question sets here, and each of the letters might be moving these together multi-touch and so on like that. What I want to do as a teacher is move Augustus, so I'm kind of forcing the issue of making sure these guys are actually quickly trying to get the Oompa-Loompas across the bridge. And whilst I'm doing that, as long as I'm holding on here, I can control this at the same time. Now I can stand away from the screen at the other point, whilst all the letters are there, and have Augustus chase down each one of the Oompa-Loompas until they vanish behind him, like that. That's just one way to use it. Like I said, there may be other reasons you want to try and make stuff in advance. We do always suggest that using Tango at the screen is its primary function, and bringing your content into it live is always going to be more beneficial for your learners, but should you have something like this, you can also do that as well.